Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to help you to fix your Windows Update error 0x80245006. Firstly, you have to type Troubleshoot settings in Windows Search. Then, click on the Open button. After this, navigate to the other troubleshooters. Then, click the Run button next to the Windows Update. Now, wait for the troubleshooting to be completed. If you have detected a problem with the Windows Update, click Yes to fix your Windows Update issue and close all the tabs. Now, type Services in Windows Search and click Open. Now, scroll and search for the Windows Update. After this, right-click Windows Update and select Restart. Now, wait for the restart to complete. After finishing this, close this tab. Now, type CMD for the command prompt in Windows Search and click Run as Administrator, and click Yes. Now, type SFC/Scano and press Enter. Wait for the process to be completed. After this process, restart your computer and your Windows Update error will be fixed. If this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.